Hello everyone, Brickspray here. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to do the hologram effect in Davinci Resolve. Really easy, that you can use pretty much anywhere. And yeah, let's get right into it. So first, you gotta build like a wall to hold your green screen or blue screen. So for that, I just used some 2x2 bricks. Next up, you just gotta use a piece of paper. It can be any color. In this case, I'm using green. So now you just have to build like a thing that can hold your minifig. In this case, I'm just using some invisible bricks, I guess. Yeah. Also guys, I added a stud at the bottom of this thing so I can turn it. So now, place the minifig on the bricks, just like this. So now you just open the app and follow these steps. Also make sure that the minifig's shadow is behind the bricks. Now what's really important here is you have to make sure that the light is covering up the whole screen, just like this. Now the reason why you paste these photos is you have to make sure that your clip is more than 1 second. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and stay awesome.